at a Firebird at night. I said, yeah, that's all right. Yeah, I like the Firebirds. I think I ain't like the Firebird more than the Camaro.
I do.
Yeah.
But they got the Camaro back though.
Yeah, that's how you really hard to tell the difference.
Tell by the front.
Yep. Everything from here, Camaro. Everything up front, Firebird.
Yep.
Demon. Or is that a Hellcat? It's hard to tell from here. Might be a Hellcat over there. Over there.
That's my ear too.
Yeah, I saw one for sale not too long ago.
Yeah, they hold up.
Yeah, but Firebird are expensive to bring back. They ain't cheap. Cheap, yeah. Firebird expensive to bring. Some people left Firebird because it's so expensive. Like, damn, it's like the freaking Nakudas and Chrysler.